going to learn how to chop an onion. Every onion has a stalk end and a hairy root end. We want to cut off the stalk end and keep the root. This is going to hold everything together while we chop. Next, we want to peel the onion. The easiest way to do this is to make a shallow cut through the outer layer of the onion and peel that whole layer off. Now, using the flat part of the onion, we are going to cut the onion in half right through the root. Next, we're going to slice laterally through the onion. How many slices you make will determine how big or small your onion will be chopped. Same thing goes when we slice downward. If you want your onion minced, make lots of slices. If you want a 1/2 inch chop, then you might only need 1 lateral cut or 2 or 3 downward slices. Don't cut all the way through the root. You want to stop just before it, both when you're going laterally as well as down through the onion. Remember, that root is holding everything together for us while we cut. And then finally, once we've got all of our slices down, we're going to use our claw grip hand and we're going to slice across, completing our chop, dice, or mince, depending on how big your slices were. And then if there are any remaining pieces that are a little bit too big, just go ahead and cut those down. And that's all there is to it.